Kia ora, te whānau, tēnei koutou mōrena for this morning, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back, even. As you know, if you've been paying attention, this channel, we ride motorcycles. So if you are not interested in motorcycles, then it's probably a good time to move on. But in saying that, we do get to have some really good Aotearoa scenery around the countryside, so if you're interested in that, stick with us. We're going on a ride this morning, and yeah, anything can happen really. It's motorcycles, so literally. Intercity, which runs the buses in New Zealand, they usually just run big buses that are empty, but they've now got themselves a smaller bus. You'd have to think that they've figured out that's more economical to run a smaller bus, which by the way is only about half full as well, so yeah, anyway. Intercity, eh? Figured it out 40 years later. I was so pleased we got past them, eh?
All the way over the Wongamala road.
No.
Up and up.
Yeah, I know. He's just being a cock.
I sort of signalled to you, I don't know if you saw it, I was like, I like this, and pointing him in.
Total cock the whole way.
Yeah, bro, he was just sitting at that speed where would have been really awkward to pass him, eh?
Oh, yeah, you know, no, he did it
Did
on purpose. Did it on purpose, mate.
Yep. Oh, we might as well stop you and have a day. Yeah. Hey, I was thinking, should we just carry on past Havelock and actually go the coast, the inland route?
Around the Charlotte Sound?
Yeah, before we come across a little village.
Yeah.
G'day, mate.
Nice looking bikes.
Yeah,
cheers,
thanks
bro.
very much.
What are they?
Oh, one's a really good one and one's just an average fucking Harley Davidson.
Yeah. Yeah, it's always a problem because he's got the pretty bike and I got the one that goes well.
Yeah,
Which is why I was in front.
You'd have to be pretty mad to jump off this bloody bridge, wouldn't you? People have done it when the river's up. Oh yeah, well, I can see the appeal, eh?
Yeah,
That's
it's pretty deep.
quite nice, eh? If you knew.
If you just jump straight here, I think you're fine, eh?
Yeah.
But it's still a fucking long way.
Oh
eh?
hell yeah.
Down here.
Yeah, right in that
There's a
spot.
fucking rock in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Yeah, these fucking funny fucker.
Look at this old Ford. Good thing about living in the South Island. So that's Havelock.